Hey man, you know where you watch. Dancehall skilla. Alright viewers and subscribers, Dancehall skilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now in this video, I'm going to present to you videos that are being talked about on social media. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what to think about these videos that I'm about to present to you. Now, first things first, I am going to present to you a piece of an entire video that I have recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly when the entire video will be recorded. The entire video shows the scene of a traffic collision that happened somewhere within the country that is known as Jamaica. It is said that 3 motor vehicles was involved in the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. It is said that a police officer from within the country of Jamaica was driving a motorcycle somewhere within the country of Jamaica when the motorcycle hit one motor vehicle and somehow got stuck under the rear of another motor vehicle, viewers and subscribers. I didn't get any confirmed information if the police officer had been badly injured or not. No, I didn't get any confirmed information if anyone else had been injured as a result of the whole situation. I didn't get any confirmed information if anyone died as a result of the whole situation. See? Now, some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are wondering who was wrong. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this piece of video and tell me what to think about the whole situation. See? Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this piece of video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the piece of video. Take a look, listen, observe, tell me what you think.
No movie. No man, that's somebody over there, but no movie. Make it on.
No man, you have to move.
What?
No. Why?
No man, we can get a check out. Go watch man. Hold on. You have to lift up it. You have to lift up it.
So when you go on the road, you have to be careful.
Oh, you see it? Fling your boss. You see it? Yo, fling him, no man. Good. Our favorite taxi man.
It don't matter. What's
Where you come for? You want a ticket in your ass? You want a ticket?
Well, my people, I wonder who was using the road wrong. I wonder if it was the police officer. I wonder if it was the person who was driving the car. I wonder if both of them did use the road wrong at the same time. Who knows, viewers and subscribers? You see what I say? But anyways, you can tell me what you think, you know. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, this video is going to show a person who goes by the name of L.A. Lewis on social media. The video also shows law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica and the civilians as well, to viewers and subscribers. Now, according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, and according to some comments on social media, I got the understanding that it is alleged that L.A. Lewis was driving a motor vehicle without up-to-date documents. Viewers and subscribers, I want to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, alright? Anyways, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me. Observe. Documents.
man, you're blocking. I can't believe LA Louis situation. The car is not licensed, the van is not licensed, nor insured.
You hear that? You hear that again?
LA Louis, you are not above the law. Why?
Well, my people, I cannot give you any confirmed details about the situation between LA Lewis and the law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica, you see me? So I'm just give you information according to how I got information, you understand? Yeah, and the video is right there, viewers and subscribers. If you miss anything in the video, you can look at the video again and listen carefully to the video, alright? With that, I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I saw pictures and videos posted on social media about a situation where it is said that the sky turned red over China. You see? I even saw at least one post that said that the sky turned blood red over China. See? And those posts on social media gave me the understanding that the situation happened sometime within the month of May, the year 2022. You see? And on a real, those posts and the situation have me thinking different ways. I started to think biblically, I started to think scientifically, because I wonder what could have really caused something like that to happen. So I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that those news articles said that the sky turned red over a city that is located somewhere within the country that is known as China, and citizens also panicked because of the sky turned red situation. You understand, the viewers and subscribers? And those news articles also said that a local meteorologist said that the phenomenon was caused by the refraction and scattering of lights, and added that it was most likely from ship lights that were present in the port. So may I say, so me don't know if I really and truly think about this whole situation. And so may I say, could it really be ship lights that caused the sky to turn red over China at a certain part or place or whatever? You tell me, people, but me I get information according to how I got information, you know? Yeah. Next topic. Alright, now my people, I want to listen to me carefully now, viewers and subscribers. As I say, because it coming like say every 3, 4, maybe 5 months, me hear about some form of disease that affect persons out there in the world, viewers and subscribers. You understand? So, have you ever heard about chicken pox? Yeah, Jamaicans say chicken pox. See? Now, me I read a news article about this virus that is known as monkeypox. Yeah, monkeypox, you know, see? So, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that health officials within the UK has confirmed that 2 people have been diagnosed with monkeypox in London. See? Now, the news article said that this comes after a person who had recently traveled to Nigeria tested positive for the disease. See? And the person arrived in England, viewers and subscribers. So the person tested positive for the disease after arriving in England. Now, health officials say that they are now investigating where these 2 latest cases pick up the infection. No, sir, this is something we're really and truly have me thinking. So me I say, right now me I wonder what's next. See? So chicken pox. Now me I hear about monkeypox. The other day COVID. What? Like, what's really going on within the world? Where are these viruses and diseases are coming from? Eh? How them happen? I tell you, Is it part of evolution? What's going on? See? But me don't know what you really and truly say, me people. Me also try to bring an awareness when it comes on to this thing that is known as monkeypox. And I want to say to each and everyone, be careful out there. So me I say, yeah, me see a picture posted on social media that shows someone's skin looking certain ways. See me don't know what them there. But just be careful, alright? Anyways, yeah, some y'all left it now. Big up and respect to each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself, you see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall skilla.